Hey guys, welcome once more to this channel. Today I'll be discussing with you polynomial. So when you hear about polynomial, what comes to your mind? Polynomial is like an higher, it has an higher degree than quadratic equation. So a polynomial is any expression with a degree of 3 or more. So if I have something like this, 2x3 plus 4x plus 4x plus 5. This is actually a polynomial. This is actually a polynomial. So if I now want to add two polynomials together, how will I do it? It's easy. We just follow the normal concept of, like, let's say I have 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is that is 8. Right? 8. So if I have 5 plus 3, this one is called the arcend. This is called the arcend. And why this one is called the arcend? The arcend. This one is called the sum. But if we are choosing maybe a division, we are choosing division like this one, I can say 5, I can say 6 divided by 2. Then the answer is what? 3. Then this is called dividend. And this is called the divisor. Why this is called the quotient. So this is actually a basic knowledge of this polynomial. So if you want to add two polynomials together, I can simply say that, let's say the polynomial is x3 plus 4x2. And if I want to add this polynomial to this polynomial, what will I do? I will simply add the one with, I will simply add the like terms together. Yes, like terms together. So if I want to do this now, I can say 2x3 and 2x3. It will go, that will be 3x. I mean 2x3 and x3, that's 3x3. So 4x2 plus 4x2, that is 8x2. Then 4x plus 5. And can you see? It's just a normal, quadruple expression. It's just a normal. So looking at this question now, what is this first question? It says when x squared plus bx plus 2 is divided by x plus 3, the remainder is 5. Find b. So on questions like this, on questions like this, the way you do it, like let's say I write the solution here. So the way I'm going to do this thing is like, let's say you should divide by x plus 3. I will show you something called the Mega theorem. The Mega theorem states that if a polynomial x squared plus bx plus c, it's divided by if this polynomial is divided by let's say x minus a, yeah. So the remainder will be fa. This is the remainder theorem, meaning that any this thing you put, like your divisor. You know, I explained something the other time. I said this guy is the if it is division, this guy is the dividend, this is the divisor. So if the divisor, like maybe x minus a, the remainder of what you will get will be fa, that is the function of a. So you get, so meaning that assuming I add plus here, what will I do? If I have plus here, it will be f minus a, meaning that you just simply just say x plus a is equal to 0, then the x is equal to minus a. So in this case now, looking at this remainder theorem, if it's x plus a, the remainder will be f minus a. If it's s minus a, the remainder will be fa. Meaning that any answer you get here is the remainder. So looking at these questions now, let's look at this question together. I said x squared plus bx plus 2 is divided by x plus 3. According to that one, now this is the divisor. So I will say x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then I will say x is equal to minus 3. Then our remainder will be f minus 3. Right? Yeah, so if I input when x is minus 3 into this equation, I will have x squared plus bx plus 2. I know that they say that the remainder is 5. For if a polynomial is divided by fa, and the remainder is the common factor. It means that the remainder you have will be 0, but meaning that this x plus 3 is not a common factor. You understand? It's not a common factor. So this now, let's say the remainder is what, 5. So just put 5 here. Yes, put 5 here. This is bx. So putting x when x is minus 3 there, so will be minus 3 squared. Minus 3 squared plus b plus 3 plus 3b plus 3b plus 2 is equal to 5. So looking at this now, what am I going to do? So I'm going to say minus 3 squared is what? That is 9. Minus 3 squared is 9, right? Minus 3 squared is 9. 9 plus 3b plus 2 is equal to minus 5. Then we collect like things. Then we have 11 plus 3b minus 5. Then we have 3b equals to minus 5 minus 11, which is what? That is minus 16, right? Minus 16. So we have 3b, right? Minus 5 minus 11, that is minus 16. So we have should be minus 16 over 3. Yes. Now this is the, let's say find b. This is the b of our answer. So the thing we first did when x is minus 3, then we repeated the values here. We have minus 3 squared when x is minus 3. So there's a mistake here. It's supposed to be minus 3. Here is minus 3. Here is minus 3. Here is minus 3. So if I this is minus 3. Yeah, this is minus 3. So minus will cancel minus. Then we have 16 over 3. Yes, 16 over 3. So this is the answer of B. Yeah, so the next question now, question number 2. We have, they say find the remainder 2x minus, let's say find the remainder when 2x minus 3, when 2x is power 3 minus 5x plus 6. That's a find minus a. Let's say you should find minus a. I mean that you should find the remainder when divided by f, when it's divided by x plus 1. This guy is x plus 1. So if you want to be x plus 1, it will be x minus 1. So we are looking for when x is minus 1. Now, so the function minus 1 is what? We just put it there, or I think for the remainder, so it will be 2 minus 1 is power 3 plus, no, minus 5 minus 1 plus 6. That will be what? We have, our answer should be minus 1 is power 3, is still minus 1, that will have minus 2 and plus 5 plus 6. So here, our answer will be what? Minus 2 plus 5 is what? We have 3 plus 6, we have 9. So this is the remainder when this is divided by x plus 1. You get this is the remainder. So the next question now, they say given that x minus 2 is the factor, I remember I said something about if something is a factor, the remainder will be 0. So it said given that x minus 2 is a factor of 2x minus 2x minus x squared minus x plus 4. I say so find the other factor. Find the other factors. This is actually very easy. So for me to do this now, I hope this what we've been doing so far is I hope you understand. So I'm going to be cleaning this now to solve the third question here. So I have this. So let's say given that x minus t is a factor, meaning that our remainder will be 0. So let's solve it now. We divide it by 2. So we have here we have 2x this power 3 minus x squared minus 8x plus 4. So if I have this now, if I'm to divide this, I'll say 2x over x over x. So if I'm to divide it, remember if you are dividing the polynomial, you don't divide the other factors like the constant, you divide the one with the x variable. So it will be 2, our answer here will be 2x2, right? 2x2. So we'll fix our 2x2 here. So 2x2 here. So this 2x2 now, I want to say 2x2 times x minus 2. X minus 2 here. So it will be 2x is power 3 minus 4x is power 2. So we put it here, we have 2x3 minus 4x2. So we minus now, right? Yeah, we need to minus. So if I'm to minus it, this one will be 0. So we have minus x2 plus 4x2. That is minus x plus 4x2. Yeah, we have that side is what? That is 3x2. We have 3x2 here. 3x2 minus 8x. So if I'm to divide this 3x2 now, I'll divide 3x2 over x again. I'll have 3x, right? And don't forget the sign. Very, very important. Understand? So the sign here is plus, so there's no need to include it here. So I will say plus 3x. So I will now times 3x. 3x times 3 times x is 3x squared minus 6x. Here, I will have, what will I have left? I will have minus 8x plus 6x. The answer will be minus 2x, right? I have minus 2x plus what? Plus 4. You bring this 4 down. So looking at this now, I'll say minus 2x divided by x. The answer is minus 2, right? So I'll say minus 2. So this case will actually not reach. So I'm going to continue from this other part here. So looking at this now, we divided like minus 2x divided by x, we have minus 2. So we already put our minus 2 here. So now times minus 2 times x, we have, this one is minus 2x here. We already have it here. Minus 2x. So if I'm to times it now, I will have what? That is minus 2x plus 4. You see this? So if I'm to minus it now, this one will be minus 2 plus 2x. Minus 2x minus plus 2x, that is 0. 4 minus, that is 0. So you see that now we've gotten that, we've proved that if a divisor is a factor of dividend, the method will be 0. So looking at it, and that's how you should find the other factor. Looking at this, and this one I will. What I'm going to do now is to solve for that. So to solve it using quadratic equation. So we're going to use the factorization method to solve this. Actually, we're going to be using it to solve it. So times this guy this one, we have minus 4 here. So these are factors we are looking for. So if I'm looking for, I'm looking for two numbers that if I times I will have minus 4, and if I add it together, I will have plus 3. So both of those two factors, if I have minus 4 times 1, it's actually minus 4, right? It's actually so we have 4 minus 1, it's actually 3, right? So since these two equations satisfy this guy, we're going to replace x with 2x equal to plus 4x minus x minus 2. We have 2, we factorize 2, we have 2x. So we have 2x over x plus 2, right? So we have minus 1 x plus 2. Then we say x plus 2, and we bring this guy and this guy together, we have 2x minus 1. So these are the main other factors. This one is one factor, the second factor, and third factor. So with this, I've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, you can share this with your friends, and don't forget to share the video. Put your comment in the comment section. Thank you.